Hi children, today we are going to learn continuation of exercise 2.5 problems. Now first one, factorize 18a square minus 50. What is the first question? 18a square minus 50. This is in the form of a square minus b square. But it is not a perfect square. 18 and 50 is not a perfect square number. Then first we have to think any common we can take. Yes, we can take common as 2. 2 table how many times goes? 9 times. And in 50, 25 times. Now we can write this is in the form of a square minus b square. Now how to write? 2 into 3a whole square minus 5 square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. What is the identity? A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Here what is the a? This is called a. This is b. Then how to write? 2 into 3a plus 5, 3a minus 5. What are the factorization of this 18a square minus 50? 2 into 3a plus 5 into 3a minus 5. Now second one. 3p square minus 24p plus 36. Here also we can take some common, which is that 3 table we can take. Then these 3 multiple 24, 36 also 3 multiple. Then we can take 3 as a common. 3p square minus 8p plus 12. This is not in the form of identity because it is not a perfect number. 12 is not a perfect square number. Then we have to write the factors. Now, what is the coefficient of p square? 1. 1 into plus 12. Plus 12. Now, what are the factors of 12? You have to get minus 8. Means, what are the factors of 12? 6 2s are. 6 2s are 12. But we want minus 8. Then we have to write minus 6. Minus 2. Then minus 6 into minus 2 plus 12. If you do the multiplication, minus 6 minus 2 plus 12. But when you add minus 6 plus minus 2, you will get minus 8. Then how we will write minus 8 as minus 6 minus 2. Now 3p square minus 2p minus 6p plus 12. Now take 2 terms and take common factors. Now which is common? Only p is common. P minus 2. Here minus 6 is common. 6. P minus 2. Now 3. P minus 6. P minus 2. Then what are the factors? 3 p minus 6 into p minus 2. What are the factors? 3 into p minus 6, p minus 2. Third one. Expand. Expand means as per identity we have to write. A minus 3b whole cube. Now what is the identity? A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. 3ab into a minus b. Now what is a here? A is equal to 2a, b is equal to 3b. Now 2a minus 3b whole cube is equal to 2a cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into 2a into 3b into 2a minus 3b is equal to 8a cube, 2 cube 8 a cube minus 3 cube 27b cube minus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 ab into 2a minus 3b. Now 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18 2s are 36 a square b minus into minus plus 18 3s are 54 ab square. This is the expand of a minus b whole cube. Now how to write? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Next, second one, minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. Now a plus b plus c whole square. What is the identity? A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. What is the identity? A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now a is equal to minus 2a, b is equal to 5b, c is equal to minus 3c. Now you have to substitute. Minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square is equal to a square minus 2a whole square plus 5b whole square plus c square minus 3c whole square plus 2ab, 2 into minus 2a into 5b plus 2 into 5b into minus 3c plus 2ca, 2 into minus 3c into minus 2a. Now we have to simplify. Minus into minus plus. Then 2 square, 4a square plus 5 square, 25b square. Minus 2 times means again plus you will get. 3 square, 9c square. Plus into minus, minus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. A into b, ab. Plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, bc. Minus into minus plus, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, ca. Now what are the minus here? A and C are minus. Now here A is there, then it will become minus. Here B is there, minus. Here C and A both are there, then minus into minus it become plus. Now which is the common in this? In this B is common, B positive, but A and C are negative. Then you will get negative values for AB and BC. Now minus 2a plus 5b plus minus 3c whole square is equal to 4a square plus 25b square plus 9c square minus 20ab minus 30bc plus 12ca. Expand. Yeah. ఈ 2b's ఇక్కడి నుంచి రావాలి. Next question, evaluate. One or two whole cube. You have to write as per identity because it is very hot. It will take, when you multiply 102 by 102 again with that product 102, it will take more time. Then how to do easy and in fast way means you have to write as per identity. Now how to write 102 whole cube? 100 plus 2 whole cube. 100 plus 2 whole cube. Now a plus b whole cube is equal a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now how to write? 100 plus 2 whole cube is equal to 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 100 into 2 into 100 plus 2. Now 100 cube 10 lakhs plus 2 cube 8 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 into 100, 600 into 102. Now 10 lakhs plus 8 plus 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 6 2s are 12, 6 zeros are 0, 1, 6. Now 10 lakhs 61,208. Next bit. This is 7th bit, 5th bit. Factorize. Factorize. 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Now here, what is the what is the identity? Here given identity we have to write in short form. Now a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. Now instead of abc what he given? xyz. X square, y square, z square, 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. Now what is the form identity? Now as per this, what identity we can write? A plus b plus c whole square is equal a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the identity we have to use and write. Here in this he given a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc 2c. We have to write a plus b plus c whole square form. Now here what is the a square? A square is equal to 25. A square is equal to 25x square. A is equal to under root 25x square is equal to 5x. Next, b square is equal to 16y square. B is equal to under root 16y square is equal to 4y. Next, c square is equal to 4z square. C is equal to 4z under root. 4z square under root is equal to 2z. Now ABC we got. But one thing here we have to observe. Here minus 40xy minus 20xz. That means in this some value, or it may be A, or it may be B, it may be C, some values are negative. Which values are negative? Here, see, in these two negative values, which is the common? X is common. Then what are the other terms? Y, Z. That means Y and Z must be negative. If you multiply Y and Z, negative into negative, positive, then YZ term is positive only. That means Y and Z must be negative. Then how to write now? 5x minus 4y minus 2z whole square. What are the factors of this? 5x minus 4y minus 2z whole square. Suppose 2ab. 2ab means what? 2ab is equal 2 into 5x into minus c is equal 2 into minus 4y into minus 2z is equal 4 minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 yz. We got it or not? Next, 2ca 2 into minus 2z into 5x plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 zx. We got it? Now, what is the factorize of this? Then, therefore, 5x minus 4y minus minus 2z whole square. 5x minus 4y minus 2z whole square. Now what is the factorize of 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xy is 5x minus 4y minus 2z whole square.